15-minute green chicken curry. Heat a large deep frying pan over high heat. Add chicken and stir fry for 5 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Add green curry paste and stir fry for a minute or until the mixture is aromatic. Add the onion wedges and capsicum slices to the pan. Keep stir frying for another minute or until the vegetables are heated through. Pour coconut milk into the pan and give it a stir. Bring to the boil. Cook for 5 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. To finish the curry, add choy, cherry tomatoes, lime juice, brown sugar and fish sauce. Stir to combine and then remove from the heat. Then heat rice in the microwave following packet directions. Spoon the rice and curry into serving bowls and top with coriander. This Thai-style green chicken curry is a great tasting weeknight meal that you can whip up in just 15 minutes. For more speedy dinners, head to our Easy Weeknight Meals playlist here.